Hello everyone. Welcome back. How to connect EZVIZ Camera to Wi-Fi? Step 1. Connect power for the camera. Please wait for 3 to 5 minutes to boot. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds.
Reset successfully.
Red light is on. Please wait for 3 to 5 minutes to boot. And blue light blink. Step 3. Connect the mobile to Wi-Fi. Open the EZVIZ app. Click Add Device. Select Camera. And scan QR code on the label. Select Device is powered on, and click Next. Select Indicator flashes blue, and click Next. The camera, phone, and router Wi-Fi need to be within 1.5 meters of each other for ideal network connection. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Almost EZVIZ doesn't support Wi-Fi 5 GHz. And click Next. Click Next. Click Join. Please wait for the connection.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected. Platform registration successful.
Off the audio here. Save the device QR code here. Change the time zone here. Change the date format. And click Next. The camera is connected to the Wi-Fi successfully and has been added to the EZVIZ cloud account. Good luck to you. Please subscribe to the channel to supporting and help me. I sincerely thank you very much and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.